experience.
Echo Bay is a charming little community in Ontario, just 25 minutes east of Sault Ste. Marie. One of the main attractions in Echo Bay is the famous Loonie Monument. The Loon Dollar, also known as the Loonie, was designed by a local resident, Robert Ralph Carmichael, back in 1987. To celebrate this iconic Canadian coin, a monument was built to scale and completed in 1992 with the help of Carmichael himself. The monument is located just 20 km east on Highway 17. There's even a wheelchair-accessible park and picnic area nearby, perfect for a relaxing day out with family and friends. For those who love water sports, windsurfing is becoming incredibly popular here during the summer months. The area of Lake George in front of Echo Bay is considered the safest spot for windsurfing. Echo Bay may be small, but it's full of charm and offers something for everyone. Whether you're here for the attractions, the events, or just to enjoy the beautiful surroundings, you're sure to have a great time.